Hex, in every practical sense, is a mid-position cryptographic money as of now valued at 3 cents that has a place with the class of minimal coins, with a market capitalization of $5,530,093,730, fundamentally in spite of mainstream thinking. Over the past by and large couple of years, digital forms of money, including Hex, laid out an especially impressive traction in the worldwide monetary world and are currently being exchanged comparable to customary resources like stocks, products, and unfamiliar monetary forms, which sort of is very huge. A few institutional financial backers even especially consider crypto as a productive supporting instrument against the taking off expansion and the disturbances in the worldwide economy, in every way that really matters, in opposition to mainstream thinking. Retail financial backers and dealers essentially are fundamentally keen on digital currencies. For example, Hex, since this truly is seemingly the most open monetary market where various resources especially have the in every way that really matters potential for 100x to 1000x increases in a generally lovely brief time frame, or so they essentially thought. These profits especially are by and large out of reach in every practical sense, different business sectors, which truly is the motivation behind why most genuinely moderate financial backers by and large are cautiously enhancing their current portfolios with digital forms of money like Hex, while the groundbreaking ones certainly dedicate a critical piece of their genuinely funding to this quickly creating resource class, beautiful in spite of prevalent thinking. At this kind of specific intersection, the endeavors of all market members carried the cost of Hex to the level at 3 cents where it at present sits in an unobtrusive manner. As currently referenced, Hex is a mid-position cryptographic money since it as of now possesses the 17th spot in worldwide digital money ranking. The really metric still up in the air by duplicating the very current cost by the market capitalization of the computerized resource, which truly is very critical. On account of Hex, the market capitalization really remains at $5,530,093,730. The significance of this boundary will generally be made sense of later, most certainly as opposed to prevalent thinking. Our cost expectation calculation sort of is planned in every practical sense, such a way that it consistently screens both the value, the position, and the market capitalization of the computerized resource being referred to truly give our supporters the most reliable data on the especially present status of the market and future possibilities, permits the beneficiaries to enough survey the condition of their portfolio and basically choose whether or not it basically should be reconfigured, extremely in opposition to mainstream thinking. Our calculation likewise really focuses on authentic information, which by and large is essentially crucial for the exceptionally right assessment of both kind of current and expected market structure, and the evaluation of its truly present and future heading, or so they generally thought. Underneath you will in every practical sense find sort of key selections of this verifiable information so you also could in a real sense have a comprehension of where the Hex market fundamentally is going. Yesterday, on May 15th, Hex for the most part was esteemed at 2 cents at the turn of the two exchanging meetings. By and large, recall that digital currencies really are exchanged day in and day out, so every exchanging meeting emblematically closes at 12 p.m., which for the most part is genuinely critical. The cost change, rate-wise, over the said period really added up to 9.13%, which generally is genuinely huge. 7 days prior, on May 9th, Hex certainly was exchanged at 5 cents at the end of the exchanging meeting, denoting the 0% cost shift from that near its sort of present situation in a very enormous manner. On April 16th, which was precisely a month prior, the examiners exchanged Hex at 7 cents, the cost level that generally is at the distance of 59.29% from where it right now stands, showing how a few institutional financial backers even truly consider crypto as an effective supporting instrument against the taking off expansion and the disturbances in the worldwide economy, which fundamentally is very critical. The mix of this information with the examination of the cost outline on various time spans, ideally the ones that sort of are most certainly higher than the 4-hour time period, ought to provide you with a reasonable cognizance of the genuinely current circumstance on the Hex market and how it truly has been creating, which basically shows that our calculation likewise really focuses on verifiable information, which sort of is in every practical sense essential for the right assessment of both all things considered, current and expected market structure and the evaluation of its especially present and future heading, or so they truly thought. Yet, this is just a glimpse of something larger concerning how much information that our calculation filters as the day progressed and sorts out all of significant data to basically deliver the most exact short, mid, and kind of long-haul Hex cost expectation that has turned into the establishment for the most part numerous productive exchanging techniques and especially in large speculation portfolios. In every practical sense, further appearance how on account of Hex, the market capitalization truly remains at $5 530-093-730. The significance of this boundary will be explicitly made sense of later in an exceptionally significant manner. The cost of hex and the readings of 114 in a real sense are not by any means the only measurements that we use while drawing the cost expectations, certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking. Market capitalization is another significant, most certainly metric that explicitly assists traders with really deciding the ubiquity of the cryptographic money being referred to as well as its future possibilities. It's additionally used to by and large evaluate the offer that hex especially holds inside the sort of whole cryptographic money market, or so they really thought. The recipe for the computation of market capitalization basically is fairly straightforward. The circling supply of the cash being referred to by and large is increased by its ongoing cost, or so they fundamentally thought. As of the hour of composing, the market capitalization of hex in a real sense remains at $5,530-093-730, enough to name it the 17th, actually the biggest coin on the cryptographic money market. Yesterday, on May 15th, the market capitalization of hex basically remained at $4,916,816,699, showing how hex especially is a mid-position cryptographic money at present evaluated at 3 cents that has a place with the class of minimal coins, with a market capitalization of $5,530-093-730. 7 days prior, on May 9th, the capitalization of hex by and large was $10,277,628,439, exhibiting how our cost forecast calculation especially is planned in commonly such a manner that it constantly screens both the value, the position, and the market capitalization of the computerized resource being referred to in a real sense furnish our supporters with the most reliable data on the by and large present status of the market and future possibilities. Permits the beneficiaries to enough survey the condition of their portfolio and especially choose whether or not it explicitly needs to in a real sense be reconfigured, which sort of is very huge. A month prior, on April 16th, how much really capital streaming around this in every practical sense? Specific market explicitly added up to $1,3584218,900 in an unobtrusive manner. Most digital money financial backers explicitly stick to the rule that market capitalization likewise decides the dangers related with a by and large certain cryptographic money, and its capacity to generally endure disturbances which for the most part are the fundamentally normal event on this exceptionally unpredictable market, which sort of is very critical. In every practical sense, all-out supply of hex as of now fundamentally remains at 633,542,658,973 coins in an unpretentious manner. The flowing stockpile of the digital money under survey generally is 173,411,074,413 hex in a huge manner. This hex cost expectation wouldn't sort of be exceptionally finished without the outline of the exchanging volume available inquiry, since it as the certainly metric utilized by basically all cryptographic money dealers to affirm the strength of the pattern and the feasibility of a market move in every way that really matters, significant way. For example, in the event that the breakout to the potential gain sort of is happening on the rear of the in every practical sense, low exchanging volume, there by and large is a genuinely high likelihood